Well, if you cook with me before, you know I'm usually not good at opening cans, but I had to learn to do it myself. So look, I opened the can. If you have pumpkin pie spice, you can use that, just a teaspoon. I didn't, so I just used these. And then I started adding all my dry ingredients to the wet ones. You can add all the dry ingredients together first in a bowl. That's what a real baker would do, which I normally do, but I was being lazy and also trying to show you guys the ingredients separately. And honestly, at the end of the day, you can see the batter and the cookies at the end don't come out much differently.